Hello everyone, welcome back to QTech-SL. In this video, I'll show you how to install GLPI using Docker on a Windows PC, from downloading Docker all the way to accessing GLPI in your browser. First, we need Docker Desktop on our Windows PC. Go to www.docker.com, download the Windows version, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. During installation, make sure WSL2 is enabled. This is required for Linux containers. Once installed, open Docker Desktop and make sure it is running. Now your PC is ready for running containers. Create a new folder on your PC and name it GLPI Docker. This folder will store all GLPI and MySQL data. Open Notepad in Windows. Go to the official GLPI Docker Hub page and copy the docker-compose.yml code. Paste it into Notepad. Then save the file in your project folder as docker-compose.yml. By saving this file, Docker knows how to start both containers with the correct configuration. Now create a file called .env in the same folder. Add your database connection details: host, database name, user, and password. Docker will automatically use these values when starting the containers. Open PowerShell inside the project folder. Run docker-compose-up-d. Docker will download the images and start both containers automatically. A random MySQL root password is generated automatically. To find it, run docker logs db container ID. Save this password. It will be needed for time zone configuration. First, grant GLPI access to MySQL time zone tables. Enter the MySQL root password when prompted. Then initialize time zones in GLPI. This ensures correct date and time handling in GLPI. Open Docker Desktop. Here you can see both containers running, one for GLPI and one for MySQL. Open your browser and go to localhost. Log in using the default GLPI credentials. That's it. You've successfully installed GLPI using Docker on Windows. GLPI is a free open-source IT asset and service management tool. It helps IT teams manage assets, users, and support tickets through a simple web interface. It is highly customizable and extensible using plugins, and it is widely used by small businesses, enterprises, schools, and government organizations. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to QTech-SL for more IT tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.